What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. I'm Ron, and you know we're going to be cooking up some fire today. Ooh, got a good one for you. If you like Burger King, I'm going to need you to smash that thumbs up button. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. Hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload more videos. And you know why we're here. We're gonna recreate the Whopper today. So I'm gonna bring you guys in and show you this first. All right, so here's what Burger King's Whopper looks like. We got mayo, lettuce, tomato. Oh, they gave me a couple onions. Looks like a couple pickles on there too. Yeah, 2 pickles. Then 1 4-ounce patty and the bun, sesame seed bun. So I'm gonna get everything ready. I'm gonna get these ingredients out on the table, and we are going to attempt to recreate this and see how she tastes. All right, so here's the ingredients. We got here's the original Whopper. I just cut it in half so you guys can see what it looks like in there. Then I got my bun over here. It is smaller, as you can see, but not by much. And then it's just lettuce, onion, tomato, pickle. I definitely threw some more pickles in there and onion than what they give you. And then we got our patty right here. Their patties are 4 ounces. Mine's a little over 4, just because more doesn't hurt. Then we got some mayo and ketchup here. And that's all the ingredients for a Whopper. So I got the Blackstone heating up right here, and I'm about to throw this patty on and get it going. All right, here we go. We're gonna get this patty on now. And like I said, their patties are 4 ounces and mine's a little over 4 ounces. And I don't know if they smash their burgers. I don't think they do. I think it's just a patty that's pre-made and they just throw it on there. Yeah, my neighbor's cutting their lawn over there, so I don't know if you guys are hearing that, but all right, let's get this thing on here. We got the salt and pepper shakers. I just got some new salt and pepper shakers. Thank you for that, Mom. That's good. All right, let's get this thing smashed down. A little bit of a oval. That's gonna turn out good though, I know that. All right, let's get some salt and pepper on here. Good old sea salt, gotta love that. All right, I'm just gonna let this cook for a quick minute, and then I'm gonna bring you guys back. And I don't do my Whoppers with cheese, that's just me. So yeah, there's not gonna be any cheese on this one, but yeah, it's still gonna be good. So, all right, I'm gonna bring you back in just a second. All right, welcome back. I'm gonna give this thing a flip. And it seems like everyone's out doing some yard work now, right when I was about to do this. All right, yeah, that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna throw some more salt and pepper on there. Alright, cool. Alright, so this is just about done. Once it's ready, I'm just gonna pull it off and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna build the sandwich and compare it with the original and see what we got. Alright, welcome back. Let's put this thing together. Alright, we got the bottom bun. I do toast my buns just like that. Alright, we got the patty, goes on the bottom. Simple enough. And then we got pickles. Yeah, they had 2 pickles on that one that I just bought to show you guys. I'm gonna put 5 of them on there. All right, pickles, and then I believe it's ketchup. I got it written down over here. Yep, ketchup, and then onion. All right, ketchup, onion. Don't want to throw all that on there. All right, that'll be good. Then the tomato. Got three slices. All we had was the small ones, but they'll work just the same. Lettuce, Oh, got some more onion under there. Throw some lettuce on there. I just took some iceberg lettuce, a head of lettuce, and diced it up and cut it up nice. All right, that's that. Now, mayo for the top bun. All right, that ought to do it. All right, and there you go. That's what she looks like. All right, I'm gonna just get the camera. I'm gonna show you guys what mine looks like. Actually, I'll bring this other one over, the original, and we'll compare them. That's the original right there. And there's my recreation of it. Definitely smaller, shorter. So let's give this thing a try. I'm excited about tasting this thing. All right, here we go. Let's give this thing a try. This looks amazing. Let's get a nice tomato in there, pickle. That's a juicy burger. And that patty was made from 80% lean, 20% fat meat. Oh, that's good. That is good. Well, it definitely doesn't taste the same. I think it tastes better personally, but you know, everybody likes their own cooking. But I mean, yeah, this patty, this is the original. This patty's dry. Only had 2 pickles on it. A little bit of ketchup. Only had 2 onions. There's two onion circles on this thing. Yeah. I'd much rather have this. But yeah, that's all I got for you. I appreciate you guys coming along. Don't forget to subscribe, watch another video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.